Long Labor Day weekend brought many visitors to Friuli Venezia Giulia's coast. Where are you from and what are your plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm from the UK, but I live in Vienna, and we're down for the weekend to enjoy the sunshine, the sea, and the amazing food of Trieste and the region.
We are from Caserta, a nice city near Naples, and we are here to spend the weekend here.
We are from different part of Italy, and we are spending here the weekend. We are planning to go to Trieste, Udine, and Butrio, if I'm not wrong. Yeah.
I'm from here, Trieste, and for the weekend I want to go to the sea for take the sun.
From Treviso, in Veneto, Italy, and I'm here for the weekend to meet my girlfriend, Alessandra.
What will you do?
I don't know, maybe tomorrow here in Barcola, and then eat some good food in Trieste, and we'll see.